Welcome to the world of knowledge, dear student. Today we are going to discussing and we are doing passage for note making. Hello, dear student. Welcome back. You are here with me in the school campus. So here today I'm in front of you with new video, and today we are going to discussing about very special topic. Although we have discussed that topic so many times earlier. In form of audio and the video as well. In the video, I have tell you each and everything that how we can make notes. As today's topic is, so we have let you know each and everything about that, and when we can take appropriate step and when we can note the step down and why it is important for us. It's important for us because we can't keep all those and all these informations because we are around the so much information under that one we because can't keep in our mind for a long time. So note making help us to keep such things and such information in our mind for a long time. So same we are going to do here, and I will let you know that how we can note down main heading, subheading, sub heading and abbreviations, how important all these are for us. I will let you know. I will read the topic and the passage for you, and side by side I will show you the slide how we are solving this passage. See you here. Half the ills of mankind are due to ignorance. The other half arise from egotism. Knowledge is fully as important as ethics. They are really interdependent. As Lessing says, the aim of knowledge is truth, and truth is a need of the soul. The Persian poet Sadi exhorts all to acquire knowledge with unremitting zeal, like a tapper. One should melt in pursuit of knowledge. This is thy duty, even if thou hast to travel over the whole earth. This is the first paragraph here. In the ever-ending struggle for knowledge, you should work regularly and methodically. Devote a certain portion of your time daily to study or experiment. You feed the body several times a day. Don't starve the mind. Keep a diary in which you should note the title of new books. Get new and second-hand catalogs from the booksellers. Hunt for cheap second-hand books in the shop. Own a private library, however small. Take pride in the books that adorn your home. With every book you buy, you add a millimeter to your mental stature. Borrow books from the public libraries and from your friends. Don't forget to return them punctually. Keep notes and summarizes of what you read. Otherwise, your study will be like rainfall on a sloping roof. Revise much and refresh your memory frequently, like Macaulay. Have all your knowledge instantly available. Know exactly what you know, as you know how much money you have at the bank, and as a housewife knows what she has in the pantry. Make plans for your studies a few years in the advance. As the statesman plan an economic or military campaign, set apart a fixed proportion of your income for the purchase of books and journals. Call it the book fund, and don't draw upon it for any other purpose. Thus, you will find it easy to spend money on books. That was your passage. Now your next step is here to understand the central idea of this passage. If you think that there is some difficulty to understanding the central idea and the gist, so go one more time. Right? And if you think that there is some difficult word, you can solve this difficult word as well. How? You can solve these difficult words just relating these difficult words with the preceding sentences and with the following sentences. पिछले और अगले sentence के साथ उसको relate करिए, ये solve हो जाएगा. Right? While you read the passage, at that time you should mark and you should underline the interesting point, important points, and that idea which can help you to make your notes effective later on. Okay, now I'll let you know how I can make some rough work on the passage. See here in the first passage. See over there. There are some important lines that I have marked, underlined. Why? because I think that these are some important words, important idea that can help me to keep as a record, as a notes, right? Ills of mankind, ignorance, half rise from egotism, importance of knowledge, aim of knowledge, unremitting zeal, pursuit of knowledge. These are some important lines which I marked, which I underlined, and which I took very important, because these are the points which can help me to make effective notes. Right, that was the first paragraph here. In the second part, in the second portion of this paragraph, you will notice and you will mark like never ending struggle, regularly, work regularly and methodically, feed the body several times a day, starve the mind, keep a diary, note down the title of new books, own a private library, and pride in the book that adorn. Okay, a book you buy, borrow books from public library. These are some important points here that can help us to make our note effective later on in the last section. You could see that there are some more points that also can help us to make note making complete. Revise much, refresh your memory. Okay, so there are some more words that can help us, like pantry is very important, so we should mark down, इसको mark करना चाहिए. And before this we have ethics word हमारे पास आया था, egotism आया था, ignorance आया था, and there may be some word which may be difficult for you, but for understanding this difficulty you have to solve this with the previous sentence and with the following sentence. Okay, and now next here we have some which we can take as underline करके हम इसको कर सकते हैं, make plan for your studies, you can take it, and fix proportion of your income for or the purchase of book and journal, purchase of books and journal, the book fund also can you take, and the last one is spend some money on books. These are very important line and important point in the passage which can help you. Now relate and see each and everything, because this is the rough walk. ये हमारा rough walk है, तो so you can see that and this rough walk over there, and now just try to make and just refine these words and refine these lines in effective and in meaningful heading and subheading. See over here how we have done now. Our main and the first heading will be ills of mankind due to, because we have just refined it, because that was the rough work. And now subheading क्या होगी इसके नीचे, IGN. What is this? IG is the ignorance, because ये abbreviation बनानी है ना हम लोगों ने, तो इसलिए हम इसको we will write that way. And B, EG, it is egotism, राइज फ्रॉम egotism जो हमने लिखा था, तो ये सिर्फ इसमें egotism लीजिए. अगर ह्यूमन काइंड का पतन होता है, कोई बुराई है, तो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द इग्नोरेंस एंड egotism. एंड दिस हेडिंग नंबर 2 इज द परसूट ऑफ knowledge can end, pursuit of no KN here. Okay, darkness and ignorance, and the pursuit of knowledge here. Next, what it can do, ये क्या कर सकता है, right? It is never ending struggle, work regular and methodically, METH करो आप. The fourth one will be the books provide food for the mind. How it can provide food for the mind? See, food for the mind is important as food for the body, क्योंकि दिमाग के लिए भी तो इसी तरह का फूड चाहिए होता है जैसा हमारी बॉडी के लिए चाहिए होता है. And for this purpose you will buy books, borrow books, okay, and then own a personal library, borrow some book from other sources से भी है, देखिए, लेकिन ये वापस भी लौटानी होती है टाइम पे. Okay, own a private library, spend some money on it, and have a fund, etc. And there are some other points which you can see in the slide, right? These are just the work, बस इतना सा काम है. And then our note making, has done, काम खत्म हो गया. And afterward there is one more important work that we have to do, that is the abbreviations, how we can make abbreviations. Abbreviation is the keyword. Okay, keyword here just to know that yes, ये एक तरह सा कैची वर्ड होते हैं, एंड जितने भी ये कैची वर्ड्स होते हैं उसको हम एब्रीविएशन के एक छोटे से ब्लॉक में अलग से लिखते हैं. And there remains one more, that is the sometime we have been asked to write similar words that we have to find from the passage. This is also very important part of the passage. Okay, we have some very important lines and important word that they have asked us to find out. Lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge क्या होती है? Ignorance होती है. The moral principle influence our behavior, जो हमारे behavior को regulate करता है, that is ethics. A place for keeping food. Where can you keep your food? Food आप कहाँ रखोगे? You can keep your food in the pantry. That's it. That is your passage. Dear students, your notes must be brief, as you have heard that brevity is the soul of notes. But it must not be at the cost of clarity. They should be short but clear. And notes should contain the main point of the passage or the speech we hear. And we should leave out the rest of the informations, just the relevant material we should choose. And it should be very much clear. Make notes, sensible. Okay, when they are read again even after months, है ना, तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि कहीं ना कहीं किसी तरह की ambiguity है. Okay, it is no use making notes if you cannot understand them later on. And it should be in the note form. The complete sentence should not be usually used in notes because they hinder speed. Information should be logically divided and subdivided by the use of figures, letter and dash. Okay, abbreviation should symbols. They should be used wherever you can. But one abbreviation or symbol should not stand for more than one word, as it will create confusion. Okay, you can make and use your own abbreviation as well. Hope this will be very much helpful for you. So enjoy this and just get best out of this passage and best out of this. I hope you enjoyed this video. So keep watching and keep sharing the video, because this is very important videos. It contains all the relevant information and relevant step that we need to make our passage and note making in general very effective. So stay blessed. Have a great time.